where, yes, then the wax was on and the wax was off. Remember that? Wax on, wax off. So now the order is on and then the order is off. Now the order is on again. Please can you process that order for that 150 sheets of candy red? Yeah. I tell you. Yeah. Wacht, wat is de sleutel? Jee man, mijn man niet. Ook op elkaar.
Jy gaan ons ry.
Baie bly op.
Gaan ons loop.
Ja, maar dis is vol.
Ja, my. Hoe mooi is dit, né?
Goeiemorgen, morning, good morning, sabona, bon dia.
Good morning.
Good, como está? Namaste. Enter.
Box with a crunch burger, original recipe chicken, 2 wings, small chips, and a small more sugar drink.
Oh, look at me. I tick all the boxes.
This is the
Not
bedroom
so much.
with enough plug points. Kijk, Lionel's very heavy on electricity. That's only mine. So the rest, don't tell him I showed you. Sy snorkmachine and plugs, 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 plugs. Kettle, more Lionel's plugs. Right, there's TV. The entrance to our room, little cupboard with a safe inside, and then we have the most beautiful, check this out, beautiful vanity with enough space. This is only weekend toiletries, there's the rest. So lovely big vanity. Okay, double vanity, great shower with towel rack. Bath, all the shower gel and cream, as well as the shower cream, hand, separate toilet lockable door. Awesome, 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 awesome. And this is your room. It comes with the most delicious breakfast, I must add. Okay. Okay.
Okay, you guys.
So I'm hoping to teach Lionel some culture. Okay.
About this shit cheese.
Seeing his mother didn't teach anything. So we're at the Kingdom Resort and I've ordered us a lovely romantic picnic. You get a platter on a styrofoam board with some biscuits, brie cheese, cheddar blocks, smoked chicken, biltong, grapes, nuts and 2 strawberries. And a glass, no not a glass, a bottle of Brut Rosé Robinson winery. Okay, so Lionel doesn't drink this, he doesn't eat the fancy cheese. So I'm hoping to teach him, don't pull your face, this is a lesson, pretend. Okay, so I'm hoping to teach him some brie cheese, it's cold, not the greatest, but anyway. Brie cheese, take your cheese, Lionel.
Oh, I thought you're doing it for me.
Nee, ek is nie jou ma nie, jou
And
ma is nie hier.
this white
Eet dit net?
fungi.
Ja, eet dit. Kijk, here's your smoked chicken.
Okay.
Half a biscuit, not too many carbs. Okay.
It's
Right.
dividing itself by now.
Okay, so unfortunately this didn't come with any fancy preserves. So just a brie cheese smoked chicken and some
Why do you
Robinson.
put it?
No, you don't dip, Pretend if you don't like it, just go. Pretend, Lauren. Cheers.
Chicken is great.
Uit de snackie.
Oh,
Now mix the taste.
God.
Kan je ook nergens wat niet? Lekker man. Cheers.
No, I don't want any more.
Nee, drink om, saam met jou wijntje.
No, you can't have it with wine. Or champagne.
Champagne in een wijnglas.
You can't. It's terrible. It's absolutely no go.
I'm sorry, Lionel has absolutely no finesse. We maken ons niks van jou. Maar als het nou een snijbrood met kaas was, hè? Ja.
Oh, cheddar. Can't go wrong with cheddar. Never. If you can get it open.
Je maas niet helemaal dat je helpt.
I'm good. Here we go. You want some? Not into cheddar though.
No. Wat is dit?
Oh. This is good cheddar.
Got no taste.
Biltong and cheddar. Biltong. Cheers.
Ek gaan maar jou wyn drink want jy is klaar. Daar vat jy daai.
No, I'm gonna have that one. Steve,
Lekker.
it's alcohol. You force it down.
I don't want to feel like you tortured,
Not at all.
but you don't drink that.
What?
Robertson Brut.
If there's alcohol in, I'll drink it. Get out, baby. Aiden.
Ons plek is mooi komfort, nee.
Oh, yes. You haven't showed in the room.
Hot 107, late job experience.
Hello, y'all. Okay, now let's go and show you our... Oh, hello, y'all. Let's go and show you... Y'all.
Ja,
Yeah. Let's go and show you our adopted children. Oh, man, they are so
mode
good.
of transport, the doctor children.
Yes.
Bring jou Klaasie.
I will follow you.
I will follow.
They are so obedient. You tell them to break.
Stay.
Look at this.
Most beautiful.
This is from the other side.
Oh,
Yep.
Oeps, foutjie. Ek kan hierdie kant uit.
This is Mama's.
Most beautiful.
Oh, yes, that's hot. Oh gosh, that's hot.
1200. Rocket power.
Model 2000 and-
BMW
2060.
1200 GS fast.
Mileage, kilometers,
30,000 kilometers.
30,000 kilometers. What a beaut.
Yep.
And then again,
Most beautiful.
what else is there? Oh, stepson too.
Steps.
Stepson, that's a girl. That's a girl. They almost twins, but wrong mother. Beautiful, beautiful. 1250,
Shame.
2019 model.
All the extras for me.
Yeah. This is Debbie's.
This is Debbie's.
No, this is Debbie's.
This is Debbie's.
This is Debbie. And this is Lionel.
Ja. Priorities.
All men can relate.
Happy wife. Happy
Say
life.
it, say it, say it.
Happy wife, happy life.
There you go.
You have a box. I have 3. I need it.
This one is only for shoes. Look at you go, girl. How does that feel? No? How does that feel?
Fork it.
Oh,
I'd never want one of these.
why is that?
When I had my 800, I rode on your 1200 like this. You made me ride your 1250 2
Yeah,
weekends ago.
yeah. And you were impressed? Come out.
No. I think I did the right thing. After the 800, the upgrade was the 1200. I don't see any need for the 1250. Sorry guys, I have everything here. The only thing with the aging eyes I could appreciate was the digital display on the 1250.
Magnified.
Yeah. So I ride with Waze. So because I can see on the...
In South
Right.
Africa, that's for dumb persons that don't know where they're going.
It's actually only so that I can see my speed because we have a new demerit system.
Ah,
That's why. Because I'm a speedster, Lon's always reining me in. So oud dan nie. Kom ry stadiger. Yeah, exactly.
but you look good on that one as
I
well.
know, but I'm scared it doesn't feel as stable as mine.
Don't waste your petrol.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. There you go, guys. And girls, guys and girls. Book yourself a trip
Mine is die mooiste.
the Kingdom Resort.
The Kingdom Resort.
Yes.
1200 GS. Yes.
Are you happy with your bike?
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's do this.
En jy wil nie record soos in
Record nou.
ja,
Hallo mooiste ding.
hallo, maar jy wil nie record. Mense wil nie lank kyk nie. So jy kan fast forward kan record. Gaan 'n stukkie van hoe mooi is die berge daar en die Kingdom hier agter ons. Kingdom Resort. Hier so sit ons met ons voetjies in die sand.
Beautiful.
Kyk af,
Beautiful.
voetjies in die sand. Voetjies in die sand.
Skoene in die sand.
Ja, dit,
Shoes in the sand.
ja, dit is spesiaal my DNA
It's for our English viewers.
Ja. Oh, raak my etan op.
You must speak to the camera. Speak quickly.
Speak quickly.
Jy
So,
moet
what do you want me to say?
jy moet
Ja,
in die kamera praat.
okay.
Soos wat as like you're speaking to what's her
So
name?
jy gaan nie
Michelle.
alles edit, nee.
Ja.
Jy gaan al die edit.
Ja.
Jy gaan nie dit op die kamera sit, speak in the camera like ons is virgins.
Yeah, we are virgins.
Nee.
We're not professionals.
Right.
Hey, gorgeous.
Okay, jy kan hom nou eers stop. En dan
Ja,
ons drink bring.
Sien hoe mooi sy nou.
Kom maar. Laat hom daar. Kom by die mooi kamera daar aan die kant.
According to Johns Hopkins medicine, the one that probably makes the most sense is that when you eat or drink a large quantity of very cold food or liquid, you drop the temperature of the palate, the roof of your mouth, pretty substantially. The blood vessels automatically constrict. It's a survival reflex to maintain your body's core temperature.
Breinvries.
Breinvries. Morning YouTube, we are at, is it the Kingdom, ne? Or Kingdom? No, I'm not dumb.
We are at the Kingdom Resort
Where?
in Pilansberg, 5.7 kilometers from Sun City.
There you go. I look dumb.
Nee, dit sê nie.
Beautiful. Hot water swimming pool, currently degrees 32.
Nee, warm water, not hot.
Yeah, it's warm. Look. Not anymore.